I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and very inexpensive way that you can remove the brownish color from your pool steps. These right here are the fiberglass type of steps, but let's go ahead and get started. And this is what we're talking about right here. You can see, and hopefully it comes through properly in this video, but it has kind of a brownish color. It's not a green like algae, because that kind you can just kind of take a sponge or just wipe that off, power wash it off. This right here is caused by either oxidized metals or you have calcium buildup, organic materials in the water that will just kind of rest onto the white fiberglass or any kind of plastic that you have in your pool, and it can cause that staining. And you can scrub it as much as you want, you can power wash it, it will not come off. And you can see the comparison right here. This is the color it should be. It has this brownish color. And if we come here and I'll show you. I can wipe this as much as I want. It does not come off. That stuff is caked in there. Now, how this can happen, in the case here with mine, the calcium levels, the chlorine levels were too high and the pH and alkalinity had dropped too low. And what happens is you have the acid in the chlorine. If it's not balanced properly with the pH, it can cause your metals to oxidize, like any kind of metal in the pool, screws, whatever, things like that. And those little microscopic metal fragments will start to rest in here and you can't get them off. They get embedded in there. I also have a well, and so anytime that I need to add water to the pool, my faucets are pulling from that well water, and we have very hard water here, very high calcium. That's another thing that can cause it. So I've got a couple things going on that have kind of led to this, but you can get, they make like a absorbic acid vitamin C powder that you can get at pool stores, pool supplies. Take a look. And you can buy those, and to be honest, that's the only thing that will work, is that absorbic acid. It'll remove it quick and easy, very simple. You don't even need to put any real labor into it. That's the only thing that will work. Now, you can buy those, and those range like 20, 30 bucks. You can get them at pool supply stores, Amazon, things like that. But another thing that'll work is just regular vitamin C. So what I did, I just went to Dollar Tree and bought two canisters or two little containers of vitamin C for $2.50 combined. Let's go there and I'll show you where they are. Just go to any Dollar Tree store and we'll go in here and we're going to go down the aisle where they have like medication and things like that. As you can see it, you have a little area here where you have your vitamins. We'll just grab two of these here, the vitamin C's. You can see they're only $1.25. Let's grab two of these and that will take care of our problem back at the pool. So now that we've purchased those, what I'm going to do, and there's a couple ways you can do it. You can just crush up the tablets themselves and sprinkle the powder and just let it fall into the pool, and that will a lot of times help. Or you can put the whole container into like a sock or a clean cloth and then just use it and wipe it down, which is what we're going to be doing in this video. But we're going to go ahead and flip forward a little bit. I'm going to get the vitamin C capsules out. We're going to get it all set up and then we're going to start cleaning it and we'll show you how easy it works. So as we just saw in the previous scene, these are the two containers that I bought, $1.25 each at Dollar Tree. And just any kind of vitamin C will work. You don't need to spend tons of money on it. Like we said, only $2.50 right here. You could probably just use one container. I just bought two just to play it safe. But we're going to open this now. And this has the just the tablets in there, as you can see that. So we're going to get them out, put them into a clean sock, and then start cleaning. All the tablets are in here. I'm going to bunch that up. And then we're going to dip it in water, and then we're just going to start wiping, and we're going to film that so you can see how easy that comes off. And unfortunately, it's starting to rain a little bit here, but that shouldn't affect anything. So we'll take this now. We have all the tablets here in the front of the sock. We'll wet it. Just take this and just start wiping. And you can see already, right in this area, it's lifting it right up. So we're going to just keep going like this. And it's amazing. The absorbic acid just cleans it right off. But you can see already how it's coming off right here. Look at this area compared to here just by wiping this off. Take a look. This is all that we just did right here and all this. Now I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to show the whole thing and waste your time, but we're going to keep cleaning here. And you can see in real time how, I mean, as soon as that stuff touches it, it takes it right off. I'm going to clean the rest of this and then we'll be back to conclude this video. So I just finished doing the top step. You can see the huge difference. This is what it should be, and that's what it is. Look how easy that came off, and probably took me just about 10 minutes of just putting it in that sock and just wiping it over, wiping it over. Now, unfortunately, I got to be in the pool to get to the rest of this because I can't reach down into that, so I won't be able to do it in this video. But if we pull back again, look at that. Before and after. Now, another thing you can do, you can take the tablets, crush them up into powder, sprinkle it over it, and if the powder just falls, it'll start dissolving that oxidation off there and clean it, which is how you would use the powders if you buy it at the pool store, the vitamin C or absorbic acid powder. So I'm going to do that real quick in this video before we end it. I'm going to take a few tablets, crush them up, we're going to sprinkle them off, and I'm just going to let the camera show you how easy that'll clean it off as well. We'll open the other container. Just going to grab a couple of the tablets and we'll crush them up and drop it. All right, we'll just use these pliers and just something to break them up. There we go. There we go. See the getting it into a powder form. Just let it drop down in there. And I prefer doing it like we did earlier with the sock. I'm just showing you that you can do it this way too. Because basically, wherever this stuff lands, it's going to start dissolving that stuff. I'm sure I'm going to get comments from people saying, what are you doing and all this nonsense. But you can do it however you want to do it with the powder. But I'm just showing you what it does. And you can already see it turning white right there. But as mentioned already, to do the steps further down, I'm just going to wait till I'm in the pool and do it. Because if you do the sock method, like we did here, or any kind of material, you can just take it, wipe it along, and literally that's all you're doing. You're just wiping it and it's just taking it right off. But see right here, where the absorbic acid has landed is already clearing all that. Now, obviously, those, like the dark spots, that's just regular dirt that needs to be vacuumed. So that's not the issue. But right here, look at that, where we sprinkled the crushed up tablets versus where we didn't, cleaning it very quick and easy. All right, well, that wraps up this quick video. We're not going to go through the whole thing as mentioned already, but that shows you how easy that was. Just a quick video on how to clean your pool steps. Like I mentioned here, this is fiberglass, but you can also use it with liners as well. $2.50. So why spend the $20, $30 at a pool store with the absorbic acid vitamin C powder? You can just go get the tablets at the dollar store or Dollar Tree and do it yourself. And it works great. So I hope that this video was informative for you and helped you out. Please send me any questions or comments you might have about this. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to check out any of my other videos I've done pertaining to pools, I have some product reviews on pool vacs and different things with winterizing and fixing the pool pumps, all that stuff. You can check them out down in the description. I'll have them down there if you want to check those out as well. But as always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.